Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get 5 stars insects or fishes in Heartopia. This also works for cooking, but I already have like a separate video on that. So to do that, you will need to obtain these rainbow bouquets, which you can get when it is the rainbow weather. It says, after scattering flowers, you and nearby DG members gain a 30-minute blessing effect that improves the star rating of the results when fishing, cooking, insect catching, sand sculpting, pumpkin carving, and snow sculpting. Watering may also sprinkle rainbow breeding powder, so if you don't have enough of the rainbow breeding powder, which is this one, you can use the rainbow bouquet, but I'm just going to do this one for insect catching and fishing because I do need 5 stars on the few ones that I don't have for this season's collection. So I still need to work on fishing and insect catching. So let's go insect catching. I'm just going to speed it up until I get 5 stars. And as you can see, I got 5 stars from some of the insects and fishes that I caught. Not a lot, but it is a little bit easier if you do it when there is a rainbow, like the rainbow weather as well. So I did get one of the 5-star fish for the green one, and then I think I got yellow and purple. I thought I already got purple, but I didn't. I don't know, it notified me like I got 5 stars. But basically when you have the rainbow bouquet, it like adds a star to the like insect or fish you get. So yeah, that is it. If you want to complete your seasonal points, I guess, in Heartopia, you can do that. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.